Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix no sound on YouTube, Google Chrome, or how to fix no sound in Google Chrome. The first thing you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner, right here, beside your profile pic. And from the drop down menu you want to select Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to go over to the left hand corner and you're going to tap on Privacy and Security. Then you're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to tap on Site Settings right here. Then you're going to scroll down and you can see YouTube block sound. You could unblock it right here by tapping on it, or you can simply scroll down and you're going to scroll all the way down, then tap on Additional Content Settings. Then you're going to tap on Sound at the bottom right here. And after you have selected Sound, you'll scroll down and from here you will see a list of the websites that are not allowed to play sound. And you can see YouTube is one of them. You're going to tap on the three dots beside YouTube. Then you'll tap on Remove. And that's it. Once there are no sites right here where you see not allowed to play sound, that will fix your problem. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.